Next is your HTML link. This is quite self-explanatory. This just adds a href link to your page, and this is also an HTML button. So this is also, I leave it up to you. But on the button you have this text. This is what the text would be on mobile. So to make it easier, since these buttons, if you want a different text on the mobile phone, then you can say mobile label, and this is what it will show on the when you go to the mobile on the mobile side. There are different sizes, like you can select like or from all the sizes, and then you have this option that how you want to render this button. So you can render it as a button tag, or you can render it as a tag. That is also possible. So, and when you render it as a tag, as a link basically, so then you have the option to put some URL here. So you can put a Gmail or some and at the bottom you can also add a font or some icon. So let's say I want to add a check mark, so I'll just type check and then I select this, and then it puts a check mark. I have the option to put it on the left or the right, and that's it. So you have all these styles. You can like there are like, I don't know, around 50 100 styles to the button. Some of them are provided by Bootstrap, some of them are some of them I've added myself. But you, depending on how upon your site, you can like select a style for your button from here.